Ignore my hair, guys. It has a mind of its own today. Look how dry it looks at the ends. Like, look at the ends. I seriously need a haircut. It's all silky smooth here. It's gross. So we'll just keep that shot out of the camera. Hi to everyone. So guys, welcome to my Incy Wincy Teeny YouTube channel. If you have accidentally stopped by on my channel, I hope you enjoy my video. I'm a very small YouTuber. I've been doing this for about a year now. I've been pretty fed up. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to try and front. I have been pretty fed up lately. Wow. I think I'm going to be making a lot of mistakes today. I haven't filmed for so long. It's going to be a lot of bloopers. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget, hit that subscribe button and please support the smaller channels. There's so many genuine small channels out there on YouTube who are giving you their honest opinion but not being paid to say what they are reviewing on, and I just think that guys like us need more recognition. I'm just saying. Let's get on with this video. I'm going to do a quick favourites video, my June's favourites. Some of the items I've had for quite a while and I haven't got that much to show you. I literally have 5 things to show you, so it's not going to be too much of a long video. I've seriously missed you guys. I've missed filming, missed YouTube, and I have been really busy going out doing some freelance work. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. I'm starting to see the things which I need to work on a little bit more organisation wise, and also I'm coming across certain things which are unavoidable when doing clients, which I'm not taking personally. It's going good at the moment. I am being busy and I've got another couple to do next week, so I thought I'd fit this in while I can, and yeah, and just get a video out to you guys because I have missed you. Thank you so much to the guys who responded to my previous video. Thank you so much. Elaine, Stephanie, Heather, if I've missed any names out, but Patricia, all you guys, your comments meant a lot to me, and I'm not going to quit. I'm just going to, like you guys said, fit in what I can, review what I can. It won't be everything, you know. I've got to be realistic and just stick to what I know. So yeah, let's get on with the video. The first thing I'll mention is my Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I am still loving this. I went ahead and got another bottle, a shade lighter. So I have 3.5M, which is slightly dark for me, and 3N, which is only just slightly dark. So I probably will have to get a lighter shade for the winter months, because when I'm pasty I cannot wear dark foundations. But absolutely loving this foundation. I still haven't changed my mind on it. I've decided I'll be taking this with me to Egypt, my YSL all-in-one glow, and I'll also be taking Josie Maran Vibrancy just to give myself a bit more full coverage. That's it. I'm limiting myself to what I can take. I could go on and on and on. I'm trying to keep the minimum. Yes, definitely a favourite. If you haven't yet tried the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation, I definitely recommend it. It's not let me down. It's not a full coverage foundation, but it's buildable. But all I can say about this foundation is that it applies so nicely on the skin and sits really nicely on the skin. I don't know what else to say about it, but I love it. It's my favourite. Mwah. Favourite foundation. I've watched a lot of reviews on that foundation, and I have to say, for a lot of a lot of the people who reviewed the same foundation as me, I'm not sure if they had the same reaction as I did, but you guys need to know that what is good for someone else might not be good for you. I know that from personal experience. You know, I've gone out to the stores and ran out and bought the next best thing on the market, and it's not the same. So I am very thankful that I found that foundation, because I think it's definitely going to be my #1 foundation for a long time. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. So the next thing I want to talk to you about, I have been trying this new concealer from Nabla Cosmetics. I've had it for about 3 weeks now, and I was going to do a review on it, but I didn't really have the time to do a review. If you'd like to see me do a proper review on this, then let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do so. But it just felt like Nabla Cosmetics is not really well known. They are an indie brand, I believe, and they're just not that popular on social media. They seem to be quite popular, and I have a couple of Nabla eyeshadows and they perform beautifully, so I definitely don't think they're a bad brand. But But yeah, I am absolutely really liking this concealer. The only thing is, if I did a comparison between my favourite Urban Decay Naked Skin and this, they're two different shades completely. This one is a lot more eye brightening. This is more like a peachy undertone. I'm going to insert some footage of me applying it to under my eye area, and that's it. And let you guys see how it blends in. It's quite full coverage and it blends out really, really nicely. I'm not going to say it's crease free because it's not crease free. As soon as you smile or make any facial expression, my under eye area goes to hell. It's just unavoidable, I'm afraid, unless you are completely wrinkle free under the eyes. But I like it because it was very, very, very nice coverage. It wasn't heavy. I also have the Tarte Shape Tape, which I'm not a fan of. That is definitely too thick and full coverage and heavy for my under eye area. I am really enjoying this because the price was £15. I purchased it from Beauty Bay. The smell is amazing. It has a gorgeous smell. What does it smell like? It smells like you're on the beach. It smells so tropical. It's gorgeous. Oh, and the colour is a really, really nice peach colour. Gorgeous undertone. So yeah, £15, and this shade is actually light peach, so it definitely has the peachy undertones in it. It's not as brightening as the Urban Decay, and I like it. I'm definitely happy with it. I think any company should be sued if they are claiming a concealer to be crease free, because I don't know anyone who doesn't have any creasing. Even the girls in their 20s, they suffer some kind of creasing under their eyes, you know. So, but yeah, unfortunately, there's no getting away from the creasing under the eyes. So the next thing I want to talk to you about, I did a video on this BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio a few months ago, and this has not let me down. I use it every single day to get these brows, and the brows are looking quite nice. I use my own brush to apply the product with it, but I just really, really like this product. It comes with a wax, then like an ashy brown in the middle, and then a dark brown powder. So these two are powders, ashy brown and dark brown. And I think we do a lighter alternative to this palette as well. And I think it was it £6? I think this was £6, and I thought I'll give it a try because I've tried other drugstore products in the past for brows and I've not been impressed. I mean, I got this sleek brow pencil brow styler the other day. Whack. Not good for that. So, but this is really, really amazing. Great value for money. It gives me perfect brows every time I use it, and it's just really cheap. I love it. Excellent. I cannot complain. I don't think I'll have to go back to buying the Anastasia Brow Wiz, or I still like to use the pomade every now and again, obviously when I'm making a very big effort and I'm going out. So that is the next favourite. On to the next thing is this Lime Crime Diamond Dew eye topper thing. They have a few colours in their selection, and I chose Paris, and I am wearing it on my eyes today. It's just a gorgeous eye topper with pink lilac-y glitter in. Very, very nice. It's not as pigmented or opaque as the Stila Shimmer Glitter and Glows, but it's still a very pretty eye topper. I think they had about 5 other shades. They had a more purple one, a blue one, a gold one. It was £16, and I purchased this from ASOS, which is a very big store, online store in the UK. I put on a few layers of it just to get the opacity that I wanted, like the, you know, but so I might have to try a few more of these babies and see how they go. I just get a little bit tired of the repetitiveness of the colours, because I don't need purples and pinks. You saw the BH Cosmetics highlights I purchased on my previous video from Beauty Bay, that fiery orangey copper. It didn't do it for me. This does it for me. It's definitely more what I'm looking for, and it does have really strong chunky glitter particles in it, and it shows up on the eye gorgeous. Really, really nice glitter eye topper. And then last but not least is another tanning product, which I've had this baby for years. I've purchased it over and over again, and I try not to let myself go empty and not have it in my house. I always need to have this. It's been basically my ride or die emergency if I want to look like I had a tan very quickly. Like a nice light natural tan, not a really deep brown. So this is the Fake Bake Faux Glow Instant Tan Spray Wash Off. So it does wash off, but when you're running out the door and you just wanted to add some colour to your chest, shoulders and face, this is amazing. I've done a video of the footage of applying it, of the before and after. So it comes with a rubber glove to blend it in, but I still use my tanning mitt. And then it's just an aerosol can. Just shake it up, spray it, and you are good to go. It gives you a really nice application, a really even application of a healthy wash of colour. The quickness and the convenience of this baby has been a lifesaver for me. I will never stop using this. But beware, it is instant wash off, so it will not last more than 24 hours. It definitely will last all day. It lasts all throughout the day. It's just really good for convenience when you want that extra healthy tan look in a bottle. And it's such a nice colour as well. You'll see on the video footage, it's a nice natural colour. And I think this was, how much is this? I think it's £12. I will link it down here somewhere of how much this was. And I got mine from Amazon, but I know you can purchase it on Fake Bake website. A number of places you can get this from. It is good. And that's the end of my favourites video. It's been a hot minute since I last came on camera and did a video and filmed. I hope you missed me, because I really missed you. Hope you liked this video. Nice, quick and easy favourites video. June's favourites. We're about to be in July. The time is flying past. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with another video.